in that stench in your womb. On each other, madam. You don't want to born for this your husband. The man love you, the man love you. Small time now, he go leave you, go marry another woman. Because you know one born for him. Anita Joseph, give your husband a child. Give him a child. Stop wearing waist trainer. I know that I'm not God. I'm not God. I know I'm not God. But please, time rugo, caution. This life you are living is bad.
My people, why be safe for this life? People know they like mind their business. How person business be family matter will be your own headache. That's why this girl come they drag popular Nollywood actor Anita Joseph and her husband. Come they question Anita Joseph, say why you go to tie belle, you no one give your husband pikin. No be small thing for this life every day. When my people na don't carry sit down and as you dey do for here. This channel no bring news with the carry come. This where the totori body, this with the totori brain. As then they go come now, so with the carry come give and I stay amiable girls. So Anita Joseph na popular Nigeria superstar wey don marry for many years, but he no born pikin for her husband. The husband no complain, the family of the husband no complain. They just they live jeje in jubilation for the family. And so this young girl come out, come they drag her, say Anita beg, give MC Fish child, give her children. Say they feel less concerned because say he don't born 2 children for another man. Say make she born pikin for her husband. E get as im be where woman go marry and you no go born pikin for her husband. Say the joy of every woman na to born pikin. Make e stop to dey use waist trainer dey tie im belle. Say the thing dey affect children from coming in. No be small thing. I go play the video make una take una ear hear wetin the girl talk. Watch the video to the very end. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the totori body. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
This message is not to bully you, Anita Joseph. Anita Joseph, please, stop wearing this your waist trainer. I know you are advertising your product, but please, as a woman that wants to conceive, you want to get pregnant, but you are still tying your womb. You are still tying everywhere. I don't know if you don't ask Anita Joseph. See, this is your lifestyle. I'm tired of it. On the other hand, I'm tired. You're making it to look as if you are barren. You're making it to look as if I'm not here to insult you. I'm not here to insult you, on the other hand, but please, enough is enough. Stop wearing this your waist trainer. This your odogu din a stench. Odogu din a stenching. In a stench in your womb. On each other, madam. You don't want to born for this your husband. The man love you, the man love you. Small time now, he go leave you, go marry another woman. Because you know one born for him. Anita Joseph, give your husband a child. Give him a child. Stop wearing waist trainer. I know that I'm not God. I'm not God. I know I'm not God. But please, time rugo, caution. This life you are living is bad. It's very, very wrong. How can you be tying your womb in the name of you are selling waist trainer? For what? Who are you impressing? Are you impressing who? You're a married woman. You've been married for how many years? Yesterday was Valentine. The day before, I don't know. The day before you say that is Valentine. That is making it how many years that you got married? Not even a single child that you this guy. You know, I this guy, Afufu. I tell Afufu. You know, maybe I don't care. Because me, Motagola, another man on one. And it I just said, this is very bad. This is very bad of you. This thing you are doing to fish is not good. This thing that you are doing to MC Fish is not good. Stop tying your womb. Stop using that your waist trainer. That's your dogu stenching. Odogu. Stop using it to tie your womb. I don't see why a reason whereby a woman that is looking for a child, that is looking for a fruit of the womb, will be tying her womb. It makes sense. It doesn't make sense, my dear. It doesn't make any sense. What else sense of no make it? ị na-ekechukwu nwa gị nke a na-ayọkwa Chineke ka amaka ga-amụta nwa ịnọzibe ịtaịdị nwa ị na-ataịdị stomach. Anita Joseph, watch now. It's not good. I know you are sampling your market, but this thing you are doing is very wrong. It's bad. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. It's bad. Mutalo MC Fish, go and give birth to MC Fish. This thing you are doing is very bad. I'm not looking at Belogani no tano. Matalayagi, Anita Joseph, Matalayagi, enough is enough. Stop wearing that your waist trainer. Give it to other people to advertise it for you. Since you want to give birth. Because this whole thing is looking as if that you are doing a don't care, you don't want to conceive, you don't want to give, you don't want born, okay? You don't want born for this guy. Now make you do all these things what they do. You go to tie your womb. I don't say they're going to come, they're going to tell me, say, how is it my business? It's my business. Because Anita Joseph is a mother hen, and me, and I'm also a mother hen. This thing, they vex me. How can you be tying your womb in the name of your selling waist trainer? For what, Kwano? It's very bad, Anita Joseph. Let us call a spare a spare. Okay? Let us call it. This thing is becoming too much. Stop it. And Mezinia, in a busybody, you'll be carrying down your waist up and down. You'll be shaking your bottle, shaking it up and down, twerking. Who are you impressing? You're not impressing anyone. Okay, can't care what is it? Without is an empty uku. You look mutala Anita Joseph. Use that your uku. Use it and mutala. You look mutala. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You look William Mutangwa. They be the good what you were at Chionwa. A be a hoodie you were a waist trainer. They not give you this about book. You were a waist trainer. No. God gave you this book so that you use it and born children. I don't care. I don't care. You chose them again. I don't need it, Anita Joseph. Please. I'm sending this message direct to you. Direct to you. Give us a child. We are tired of this your stench. We are tired of this your waist trainer. Use that energy that you're using to advertise your waist trainer. Come up and leave and make your belly big. Make pikin fit enter. Because this way they tie your pikin.